Hello student, good morning. To continue the lecture, that is the functions of plasma membrane. Functions of plasma membrane. We have studied here, that is structure of plasma membrane. Next, composition of plasma membrane. Which composition? Components, that is the carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and enzymes. And this is the last, functions of plasma membrane. How to functions of plasma membrane. The plasma membrane acts as a thin barrier which separates the intracellular fluid or the cytoplasm from the extracellular fluid in which the cell lives functionally. The plasma membranes is the most multinational part of a cell. Plasma membrane is the most multinational part of the cell. Its various functions are as follows. Number 1, it provides mechanical support. Which support? Mechanical support, and maintains the shape and integrity of the cell as an autonomous units mass of protoplasm. Autonomous units of mass of protoplasm. Second number, it prevents the cell substance. How the prevent? That is, it prevents the cell substance from flowing away and protects it from external shock and invasion. This is the prevention of substance in the cell. Third, it prevents pre-mixing of the live substance with the non-living fluid of external environment of the cell. Cells have to bring about changes in their metabolism to counteract changes in their environment. Information of the changes in the external environments reach the cells through receptors, component, proteins, molecules of the cell membrane. Fifth number, in multicellular organisms, the membrane allows cells to recognize each other, to adhere with each other when required, and to exchange materials or intermessions, all the facilitate a harmonious life of the whole body. The cells have to secrete or ingest large macromolecules by exocytosis and endocytosis respectively. In exocytosis, secretory or transport vesicles fuse with plasma membrane to release their contents into extracellular medium in endocytosis. The plasma membrane invaginated to transport external material into the cell. Internal material to the cell. Being flexible, the plasma membrane is involved in cell movement and growth in nerve cells, conducts impulses Being flexible, the plasma membrane is involved in cell movements and growth. In nerve cells, it conducts impulses. Nerve cells काय करते? It conducts the impulses. 8 number, the membrane regenerates very fast so that there is hardly and loss of cells. Hardly and loss of cells organization after any injury. Plasma membranes performs physiological functions. Plasma membrane performs physiological functions which are as follows: permeability, impermeable, dilating plasma membrane, semi-permeable, permeability, impermeable plasma membrane, semi-permeable, selective permeable, dialyzing plasma membrane, osmosis, diffusion, active transport. Active transport. Plasma membranes regenerates very fast so that there is a hardly and loss of cells organization after an injury. And plasma membrane performs physiological functions which are as follows: permeability, impermeable plasma membrane, semi-permeable, selective permeable, dilating plasma membrane, osmosis, diffusion, active transport. This is the functions of plasma membrane. We have to study 3 parts of plasma membrane. First is structure of plasma membrane, second is composition of plasma membrane, and third is functions of plasma membrane. Okay, thank you.